Well, I'm over here working on my skid steer 2017 l228 New Holland. I took it to the dealer because it was misfiring, and the dealer told me that my injection pump was bad, and they was gonna charge me $9,000 to fix it, to put a new pump. So I decided to try to do it myself, and I pull out this solenoid, and there was a lot of metal flakes in there. That solenoid goes here, and like, I don't know if you can see, but it's full in there with the metal flakes. So my pump is bad, but it's not really hard to do it, and I never done it before, so I'm trying to figure it out how I'm going to do it. I already take all the 3 bolts on the back. It's got 3 bolts holding the pump, and I took all the hoses, but I cannot pull it out. So I can see over here there is like a knot over there. I done it before in my 5.9 Cummins. I changed the pump, so I'm gonna see if that's the knot holding the pump with the gear. If anybody knows how to do it, maybe you can help me. New Holland l228 skid steer, and then I'm gonna fix this big Nissan forklift motor bot too. And then I'm gonna fix this 2011 Ram 6.7 Cummins. I know I got a mess over here, but maybe somebody can see this video and help me. I'm not a mechanic, I work on my stuff.